Hello, my name is DeAndre Davis Taylor, and I'm the marketing coordinator at MasterSolve. In this short video, I'm going to go over some email design quick tips. There are a number of factors that affect your overall email performance, but for now, let's focus on the important design decisions that you need to make for each message to have the best results. So HTML is perfect for a formal webinar or an event invite, but when you want to take a more personal approach, try a text version. And don't forget your email must be responsive, since so many people open up emails while they're on the go. Something that people often overlook is who an email is sent from and what the reply to address is. So unless you're sending out an email newsletter, it's best that if you're sending out a regular email that you use someone's personal email address rather than a typical generic email at or info at email address. When you use an individual's actual personal email address, the research has shown that people are twice as likely to open the email than if it comes from a generic one. And if you're trying to drive meetings with sales, an email that appears as a personal outreach from the rep is a way to go. But to work, the reply to address must also be the rep, or you've blown your cover and it's obvious that a robot sent it. So before you jump into sending your next email campaign, make sure that you've chosen the right format and that you use some of the tips that have been mentioned in this video. My name is DeAndre Davis Taylor, and thank you for watching.